Hello, you guys. Today I will be adding some decor to my outdoor flower pots. I will show you, I have created a fall space, and so let's get started. So I just added some of the paper that you put in the shipping that I did have inside. And I would have preferred burlap, but I would have had to purchase burlap, and I just had this on hand. So that's what I added to the bottom, just so that you wouldn't see the soil. As you can see, it's soil up under there. So let's get started. On the first thing that I'm going to do is put the ornaments in the ornament garland. I'm going to put that around the pot, and then we're going to just add pieces and see until I get the pot the way I like, and we go from there. Okay, so let's get the garland and see how that works on the pot. So I did have to take one of my pieces off of the garland, and I am going to add another piece. I just decided on which color I want it to be. Okay, and so you can rearrange it and move it however you like, so that, you know, just to make sure that it's seen, so that people can see it. And then we're going to add the bow. Okay, so this is just a bow that I made from my bow maker. Okay, I'm just going to add that to the front of the pot. And I'm just going to use a clip. It's one of these clips to secure it. Okay. Then I have this pick. I'm just going to add here to the center. I have this pine from our tree that's in the yard, and I just was able to get only a couple pieces, so I'm going to add this one and see how it works. And I do think that I need a couple more pieces. But I don't have that many, so I'm just going to fill in how I can. And I'm going to take one of these poinsettias and just add this poinsettia to the middle. And then I have a couple more poinsettias. They did fall down, so let me get those. So I just have a bundle here, and I'm going to use my wire cutters and just cut the pieces off. Now I may have to rearrange my pot, but this is a good start so far. It came off the stem, you guys. Okay, so I think that that's a pretty good spot for them. I will go back, and what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to take the clusters off of the garland and just stick the clusters directly into the pot so that they'll stay exactly where I want them to go. So let's give that a try. Okay, you guys, so I just took all of them off, and I'm going to let them stay as clusters because I can arrange them exactly the way that I want to arrange them in order for it to look the way that I want it to look. So let's just get closer. See, I was able to put them closer, and I do have to add one more cluster back here. I have to paint one of my balls, so I just have one pick. I actually got this pine out of the yard. I have pine cones, that's a large one, and then I have poinsettias, so 2 poinsettias, and then 2 white poinsettias and 1 red one. I made this bow, and I also put the a bulb in the front of the bow, so that's what it looks like. So just let me know, you guys, what you think. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and remember to click on the notification so that you receive any notification. You will receive the notification once a new video is posted. Until the next time, you guys.